welcome back to my new video. Do you like my new dress? Do you like it? This dress is from lightinthebox. The link is in the description box. So on this website where I got this dress, it says it's Lolita dress. So I asked my husband what's the style of this dress, and he said it's French style. So I have a question. Is this a French style Lolita dress? This is the last video about TigerCon. I really had a lot of fun at this convention, and I did a lot of things that I have never done before. It was a great experience. It's really sweet of you guys. Give me a bag of gifts, and those gifts are very precious. That's very sweet of you guys. I really like how you write the name. It's very beautiful and it's got hearts on it. This is also how I do my signature. I put hearts on it. Also put the Chinese character. Very sweet. I have a card. Very beautiful. Thank you card. Yumi, Yumi 姐姐. Thank you so much for agreeing to attend the first year of TigerCon. You are such an inspiration and a positive girl. Thank you. I hope that you have fun at TigerCon and that you will grow and have amazing luck in your goals of endeavors. TigerCon staff, thank you so much. Oh, how amazing. Thank you, that's very sweet. Thank you so much for inviting me. I really had a lot of fun and the experience was very great. I have a pair of white paws and now I have black paws. Thank you. I really love it. Super soft. The next one is Qipao. That's very sweet of you. So this one is the short version of Qipao. Wow. There's a lot of cute stuff. And there's keychain. Everybody knows I like pink. Look, is that super cute? And thanks for the sample accessories. The pink macaroni, I actually have been using it. There are more keychains. This one is steam buns. Do you remember I have the steam buns hair accessories, and this one is keychain. You guys really know about me. I like buns. This one is Chinese porridge that my mom used to make me those porridge. The date with white fungus and I don't know how to say this in English. It's 薏米仁. So those three ingredients is really good for your skin. You can cook it at home and add some sugar rocks. It makes me want to eat porridge. Wow, thank you so much for those chokers. You guys really know I like chokers and I don't have those colors. I have one in black and I have one in pink. Pink, white, black outfit will go perfectly with those chokers. I really love those. I'll put them with my choker collection. And this one is a panda squishy. It already has the bite. Looks like it's a red bean flavor. Super cute pandas. You guys really know I like pandas. Cell phone accessories. Doing the video outside, so it's a little bit noisy. The weather is super nice. I want to make this video outside. Mask. I have lip gloss. I don't want to ruin the mask. Oh, there's some cute buttons. Totoro buttons. Totoro and cat buttons. Look at those. Ta-da! That's really adorable. I can't. Oh, cinnamon. Cinnamon. Let's see what is this one. I feel like this is a house decoration. Put this on your door, like right here. Right? Am I correct? Very windy right now. Those are the Japanese green teas. Going to try it out. Oh, it's a necklace. The bowl looks like a cinnamon bowl. And wow, a bag of candy. They have different flavors. Okay, save them for dessert. There's another button. This one is she and her. I also received a gift from a super wonderful girl. Attended my cosplay panel. She made this. She made me a hat. Wow, that's very sweet of her. She made it. She made it. That's really amazing. Wow. Put it here, like this. sweet of you made me a hat. And I think if you are watching the videos, you forgot your button at the autographic session. I'll keep the button. One day if we meet again at a convention, I will give it to you. So that's all the gifts I received. I'm really happy about it. I like all the gifts. And the hat. Look. The hat. Wow. Save it. Save it! So this is the last of episode being a guest at a convention. I hope you enjoyed all the videos. The color part is separate. It looks better with the color or without the color. I like both. So this is the full dress. It's actually pretty long. The sleeve is loose because if I do this, it'll fall. This part is very loose. I think I can fix that. So after adding the sleeves, it looks even fancier, right? So we can wear this dress in 2 ways. I'm wearing petticoat underneath, and this petticoat is the cage skirt. So that's why the dress looks bear-shaped. The petticoat is the redness for this dress. I don't have a matching bow to go with this outfit, so I just have same color ribbons. This dress looks so much better than the dress I was wearing at TigerCon, right? The pink dress, I think this dress looks so much better. So the fabric of this dress is cotton, but it's not 100% cotton. It's a little bit thick. It's not a thick fabric. I also got exactly the same dress in color pink. It's a very beautiful and fancy dress. I really love it. Look, all the bows. It has a lot of ruffles.